Just wanted to share a little bit about how I'm feeling coming back into the workplace, coming back into my business after a little bit of a break over the Christmas New Year period. So I actually feel really refreshed. I feel really relaxed and I feel really alert. I wasn't feeling like that in December, I'll be honest. I was feeling a little bit frazzled. I think we all were. I think we get to that end of the year and we all feel a little bit exhausted. So I spent my break working on intentional rest, and I have been the last couple of years, but I really put a lot of thought into this before I had my break. So what I did was I put my work phone away. So my work phone got switched off and it went away. So that doesn't mean that I don't care about my business or my clients. I absolutely do. I value each and every one of the people that I get to work with. My work is so valuable and I'm so grateful to be able to facilitate and work in this space. But I needed downtime. I needed to switch myself off from everybody else's energy. So that helped me to really feel like I could intentionally rest. So that phone went into a drawer. That phone was switched off. I didn't even hear text messages coming in. It was really peaceful. I didn't even think about the phone. The other thing that I did was I put automatic replies on my emails. So I just set up a autoresponder to people so they knew that I was away and that I would get back to them as soon as I returned back to work. The other thing that I did was I set up time for me to actually just immerse myself in things that I love to do when I'm at rest. So those things include being out in my garden, but not, doing the massive jobs in the garden, just the frolicking in my plants and, positioning things, repotting things, harvesting some herbs, doing all of that wonderful stuff in my garden. I really found that just beautiful. The other thing that I did was a lot of cooking. I love to cook, I love to intentionally make beautiful dishes for my family. So I spent a lot of time just calmly cooking for the day with some music on. I spent a lot of time playing games with my kids. So my kids, I've got 2 adult children as well, but we spent time playing board games and video games together and it was a lot of fun. So I enjoy just being with them in that environment because we laugh a lot and it's just silly buggers and we just have a whole lot of fun. So I also had really slow mornings because mornings for me are not my favourite time. I acknowledge that about myself. So I made the mornings nice and slow and intentionally just lazed around, got out of bed when I felt like it. It was really restorative. So why I'm telling you this is because I feel as though we know with our health and well-being that all of the things that we need to do, including, nutrition, we know we need to exercise, we know we need to intentionally look after, what we take in terms of our medicines and herbs and things like that. But when it comes to intentional rest, I don't know if we as a society are very good at that. I know that for a long time I was not good at that. And I know that it's something that I'm still working on. But it's something that definitely helps so much with energy. It definitely helps with restoration. Definitely helps to make me feel well within my body. So today I'm sitting here, my client's about to come in for the day. I'm about to have a beautiful full day of client work and I feel great and I feel ready and I feel alert and I am excited for what the year brings. And so this year, I think last year I did the same, but more so this year, I'm really going to focus on pulling myself back from things when I need to and really recognizing those signs when I'm not feeling my best and I need time out for myself. And so we often don't celebrate intentional rest, but I'm here to say, take a load off, put your feet up, have an intentional day off and don't worry about all the little things that need doing. They'll get done eventually and you can do them when you're feeling more rested and more capable. But for the time being, do something you love. If you're into knitting, if you're into sewing, if you're into cooking, if you're into reading, watching a Netflix series, whatever it might be, jump on and do it. I highly recommend Minecraft. I've been loving Minecraft. My son and I, my 12-year-old son, we've been making a world together. And it's just been beautiful. It's so relaxing. It's so nice just to sit with him on our laptops and just play a bit of a game, when we've got all of our stuff done in the morning. Absolutely love it. So highly recommend rest. So have a happy new year, and I look forward to touching base with you throughout the year. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and jump on and share you how good it makes me feel, and I hope that you can get the same result or feel the same way. Thanks, have a great day.